All right, guys, here's a quick little video on how you can set up yourself at home for an L-sit, the L-sit exercise, okay? The L-sit is basically bracing your body up with your arms locked and your shoulders tight, engaging your core, trying to lift your feet up off the ground. I'm here at home. I don't have any yoga blocks with me. I don't have any dumbbells with me right now. If you have yoga blocks, you can put yoga blocks here. If you have dumbbells, you can put them here and hold on to the dumbbells. Something that's going to raise your body up off the floor just a little bit so your hands can get below your hips when you're pushing through, okay? So I'm going to use two books. Tom Clancy, right? Love Tom Clancy. Great big books to use, all right? So basically just take the books, put them next to your hip, all right? All you're going to do is just engage your, right? Just put your hands in, engage your arms, push through. The idea is to lock your arms out, big chest, try to keep everything tight through here. If this is all you can do, then just work on this. Sometimes a lot of people have that shoulder strength or arm strength where just holding this position is challenging enough. You don't need to worry about lifting your feet up off the floor, okay? This will be step number one, right? Just getting to this point where you can hold this position and be cool. If this is good and you feel like you can hold this for the 30 seconds or 20 seconds or whatever the work is, the next step would be to raise your leg and just go with one leg. Work on one leg for maybe 15, 20 seconds, the other leg for 15 or 20 seconds, right? Right, that's step two, okay? If you get to a point where that's easy, the next thing you can do is try and lift your feet. Keep bending your knees, just lift your feet off the ground, right? Right? Right, just do that so you can hold that position with your feet up. Right, that would be step three. Step four would be extending your feet and holding the L-sit. All right, 4 steps. Take your time, build up to it. You can use yoga blocks, books, something to get your hips up off the floor while you press through. All right, if you have any questions, as always, just send a question and I'll answer what I can. See you.